Okay, so today we are conducting satellite registration here in Bungon Hall, Tabaco National High School. So we will be here po for 4 days, starting today until Saturday. So lumipat po tayo ngayon. Pumunta tayo dito just to accommodate po yung bigger number of registrants kasi we are expecting influx of registrants because tanaman na madali na mag-deadline, madali na mag-last day. So yun po. So, sana magdirigdi po ang gabos kasi this is a bigger space para po ma-accommodate mo yung mga registrants.
Bali, attorney, how many days po tayo ngayon sa Bungon na building?
For 4 days po.
4 days?
Yes, starting today.
Po, may mga additional po ba tayong guideline para sa maabuton na barangay election? Asinwa rin po yan?
Okay. So, presently, ang BSKE or ang Barangay and SK elections, gaganapon po sa October 30, 2023. So yan po, pag sa registration, same lang naman po ang requirements. We need identification, ID po, showing your current address. So kung yung identification po ninyo walang current address, so we will be requiring additional document. Yun po.
So, aside from the attorney, may dumagdag ba yung bilang ng
Yes, actually.
Voters?
Yes po, kasi nung December, medyo matumal kasi nasa office kami noon. But when we started yung satellite registration, starting second week of January, talagang nagdakul siya kasi everyday halos nakaka 100, average 100. So ngunyan, from December 12 to January 24, meron tayong 1,766. So 1,766 So out of which meron tayong 1,167 na registration. Ito yung mga bago. The rest, transfer na yon, reactivation, correction of entries. So yun, significant number na siya.
Okay. So additional information po para sa lahat na, lalo na sa ngayon, medyo nakikita natin, medyo matumal pa, no?
Yes
so, siguro 4 days man kamo digdig. So ano po ang inyong panawagan sa muli ng ating po mga kababayan mula rito sa Tabaco City?
Okay, so i-announce ko na rin yung schedule namin. No? So again po, 4 days kami dito sa Bungon Hall. And then, as you can see, this is a bigger space for the registrant. So sana i-take advantage natin itong time nito and itong place na ito. And then, I would like to announce also the last 2 days of registration, which is January 30 and 31. Nasa LCC Malls po kami, Tabaco City. So sa 3rd floor po yan, event center. So yun po, I would like also na makiusip, na dito na po halato ng last day. Kasi pag last day, baka may mga daing ma-accommodate ng mga tao. Sayang man baga. This is right of suffrage. But of course, yung right of suffrage natin, may requirement yan. Dapat magparehistro tayo. So, ayun po. And we'd like to thank also yung mga barangay na nag-accommodate sa amin for satellite registration kasi it's a really big help, Kasi nagkaroon kami ng wider voter participation. And then, by satellite registration, dumami po yung applicants. So, thank you sa mga barangay na yon.
Direct and live, haliligdi sa Bungon Hall, Tabaco National High School. Para sa Local News TV, ini po si Vic Barmeda. Salamat.